Sada Pathor tourist spot is at Bholaganj 0 point in Companiganj upazila at Sylhet of Bangladesh. The place is 37 km to the north from Sylhet city. This is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib High-Tech Park Sylhet Project. Main purpose of this project, construction of a supportive infrastructure for electronic city. You need approximate 1 hour go to Bholaganj, Sada Pathor from Sylhet town. The north end of Bholaganj near the Indian border is called 10 number area. It also known as Banglar Kasmir. After reaching the 10 number area boat-ghat, you have to hire an engine boat to visit the main spot. For 8 people to a boat and the fare is 800 taka but 100 taka per person. Bholaganj Sada Pathor has great similarities with the 3 other popular tourist places in Sylhet. There are Jaflon, Ulmachora and Bichanakandi. All of the 4 places are located at the foot of the Indian Meghalaya, Cherrapunji and Khassia join the hills. Similarly, the 4 places are the source of 4 separate rivers and filled with a lot of stone quarries and sandy shores. There are white stones and rocks scattered as far as you can see. That's why it's named Sada Pathor. The wall of the high Meghalayan mountain are steep on both sides. In the middle of it, a stone stream of crystal clear water jumped down from the mountain. If you listen to this murmuring of water for a while, you will be fascinated. The blue sky and the green mountain cast a dense shadow over the water. The view is really amazing. So if you ever get a chance to visit Sylhet, don't go back without enjoying the stunning beauty of Sada Pathor. Apart from the local buses, 2 new bus services have been now taken to the streets. BRTC's double-decker bus and Sada Pathor tourist transport. CNG is also available here. CNG fare per person is taka 120, but full reserve need 1000 to 1500 taka. BRTC double-decker bus fare is 60 taka and tourist bus Sada Pathor Transport fare is taka 70 per person. The best time to visit the amazing Sada Pathor tourist spot is between May and October, especially in the summer season. The Meghalayan cloud waterfalls from hills and the sandy shores of the Dholai, ceaseless streams and transparent water of the river are the main attraction that draw tourists to this place. Tourists can get the most beautiful views during the rainy season.